Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this ScreenPal guide for 2026, I'll show you how to create a ScreenPal account from start to finish. Whether you want to record your screen, create tutorials, edit videos, capture webcam footage, or share educational content online, creating a ScreenPal account is quick and easy. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and visit the official ScreenPal website. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign Up, Get Started, or Create Account button and click on it. Next, you'll be asked to enter your account information. Typically, this includes your email address and a secure password. Make sure you choose a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters for better security. Depending on the available sign-up options, you may also be able to create an account using a Google account, Microsoft account, or another supported login method. Choose the option that works best for you, and that's how to create a ScreenPal account. By completing the registration process, verifying your email, and setting up your workspace, you'll be ready to take advantage of ScreenPal's powerful recording and video creation tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.